What's up guys, Rand Racer here with another winter video for you guys today, and today we're going to check out Snowjoe's 40 volt max 18-inch cordless snow thrower. So of course, without further ado, let's slice this open, test it out, and give you guys my quick in-depth review. So ever since I upgraded to a 2-stage snowblower 2 years ago, I've always wanted one that I could lift up onto the deck, which is 1 story high, and blow all the snow off the deck and walkway. Now the problem with 2-stage snowblowers, especially gas model ones, is that they're extremely heavy, not really ideal to be lifted and carried to places, particularly up and down stairs. So I thought a really good option would be to get something that's a little bit more light duty compared to a 2-stage snowblower, and that would be Snowjoe's 40 volt cordless single stage snowblower. But anyways, let's slice this open and see what we get. Alright, so popping this open, looks like the first thing that we get is the actual snowblower. The nice thing about the snowblower that I can already tell is that it also has an additional carrying handle here built right on the blower. The next thing that we have here are your manuals, warranty information, and last but not least is the battery and charger, which you can see here is included with this particular package. You can get this as tool only if you already have batteries, but I figured an extra battery wouldn't hurt as these are compatible with my other Snowjoe products. So it looks like some assembly is required, which is basically attaching the handle to the actual snowblower unit. And it looks like there's only 4 screws that you have to put in place, so it should be pretty simple. So it looks like the first thing that we have to do here is grab your handle, spin it around. So grab the hook piece, grab this piece, and put it on. And then do the same thing to the other side with the other one. So once we have the handles attached, the last thing that we have to do here is attach our directional angle head for the blower part. Make sure the rubber washers are on the inside part. So once you have the handles attached as well as the chute part, you're pretty much set to go. Now normally you want to recharge the battery before you actually start it up, but just to speed things up, this is how you put the battery into the snowblower here. Alright, so let's take a quick overview of the snowblower before we take it out for a quick demo, starting off with the front here. Again, this is a single stage snowblower as you expect for something this small size. The actual blade mechanism is made of metal, which you can see here for added durability. However, the blades that fling the snow out of the snowblower are made of a hard rubberized material, which reduces any chances of chipping, rusting, and of course, longer durability. The casing around the blades are obviously made of plastic, hence the lighter weight of this particular model. And it does feature an 18-inch span. On the top here, we have our very small plastic chute, which is adjustable. And although the chute itself seems to be fairly small, Snowjoe does claim that you can shoot snow up to 20 feet away. Continuing on, we also have a large plastic carrying handle, which makes it really easy to carry this upstairs. Behind the blower, we have your traditional plastic rubberized wheels, and they seem to spin pretty easily. Continuing on, we also have the battery cover here, which conceals our 4 amp hour lithium battery that is included with this particular kit. On the sides here, we have 2 locking mechanisms to adjust the height and angle of the top handle. Continuing on, we also have a single LED light with the control switch on the right side. The nice thing about this snowblower is that it also has a built-in powered swivel chute. So you just activate it via the switch here. And as you can see, it does swivel the chute left and right. Last but not least is your foam handle on top and your trigger handle, which is activated by pressing this button here and pulling the handle. And that turns on the blower. And the final thing I can mention about this, which you can't see, is it does feature a 750 watt brushless motor, so it's efficient and fairly powerful for something this size. All this with a weight of only 33 pounds, which makes this really lightweight. In regards to runtime, unlike my 2-stage snowblower that I reviewed, this one here only uses 1 battery versus 2. It includes a 4 amp hour 40 volt lithium battery, and you get an approximate runtime of 50 minutes, which is pretty good for a single charge. So that's a quick overview of it. Let's take it outside and test it out. So after testing out the snowblower in comparison to my Snow Joe 2-stage snowblower, it is quite obvious that this one isn't as powerful as the 2-stage model, let alone gas-powered models. The main reason why I got this is because walkway and deck do collect a pretty good amount of snow, and it's quite annoying to shovel the snow all the way to the end of the deck and shovel it off the deck. Granted, I could try and push some of it onto the roof, but because it's a flat roof, it doesn't hurt to keep as much snow off it as possible. So with the 40-volt Snow Joe 18-inch cordless single-stage snowblower here, one, this particular model is very inexpensive, and two, it's very lightweight, which is the main reason why I got it. I can carry this up a set of stairs on my own without added stress and blow the snow off of the deck and even the roof if it gets too deep. Now, even for those of you with a more powerful gas-powered snowblower, or if you have a more powerful electric model, the nice thing about this one here is that this is a great light-duty model. Many times you don't need a super powerful snowblower for a few inches of snow. This is usually more than enough, easier to keep clean, and you save gas or electricity on the more powerful model. So even if you have a gas-powered snowblower and something more powerful than this, it's not a bad idea to carry a lighter model like this for those occasions where you don't get a whole lot of snowfall, or again, like me, if you need to snowblow your deck that requires you to lift the snowblower onto a set of stairs and onto your deck or walkway. Performance-wise, it's more than adequate for what I need. It's great for decks, it's great for flat roofs, for example, or if you just get a few inches of snow on your driveway, it's more than enough for that. It's very simple to use with a simple trigger handle, and the fact that it has a powered swivel chute and an LED light are nice bonuses. Although this isn't something that may not tackle a snowplow pile that's left on the end of your driveway during a massive snowstorm, some people can get away with it by lifting it up and kind of slowly chipping away at the snow pile. Granted, it's not ideal, but again, it just demonstrates that this is meant for light duty work and nothing too heavy duty. So if you're planning on buying this as your primary snowblower, it should work well for most circumstances. However, during a big snowfall, particularly with what the plow leaves on the end of your driveway, this may need the help of you and a snow shovel. In terms of any cons and things I don't like about this snowblower, it's quite obvious that it's quite plasticky, which leads me to wonder how well or how long this will last. Snow Joe does include a 2-year standard warranty on this, which is pretty nice, and you can also buy extended warranty, but of course, for that period of time, it'd be interesting to see whether or not something snaps or breaks, which hopefully won't happen. The main construction of this is made of this steel tubing, but the snowblower itself, as well as some of the components holding it together, are made of plastic. Some other obvious advantages with this is not just because it's lightweight, but also because it uses batteries. You don't have to worry about gas or oil or anything like that. There's no fumes or super loud noise. It is cordless and battery powered. In conclusion, guys, if you are in the market for a cordless light-duty snowblower, you definitely can't go wrong with the Snow Joe 40-volt max 18-inch cordless snowblower. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Any questions or comments about the Snow Joe snowblower, ask away in the comments section there down below. Hit that like button, as always helps me out, and I'll see you all in the next video.